India deity, shout outs to all my China deity, shout outs to all my African deity, deity for life. One, so yeah, the sun god. So people born on Wednesday, like I promised yesterday, people born on Wednesday, this is your health implications. So the health implications for Wednesday borns is stomach related disease. Stomach related disease trouble the people born on Wednesday. Itching, seasoning, diseases, cough, and sometimes the intellect and speech on which they have the most authority are distorted. So that is it for the Wednesday, but like I promised, on my next video I'll be focusing on the dream. You can see that there is no too much happiness in me, and I still have not recovered fully, but we still have to work.